Yeah, let's see here. Going live. Going live. Okay. Got it. Awesome. Now we're live. This is going to be a short video. I just wanted to help you guys out with some of these, well, with the app wodify. And here to my side, this side, you can see my screen on my phone, and right now there's the overview of the classes in wodify. First of all, I just wanted to say you should be using the app called wodify client. So it looks something like this. So you have wodify client over there, not the athlete one, that's an old one, and it looks like that. I know some of you have been using the old one. It might stop working at some point. Anyways, here we have the classes, overview of the classes, and of course on this first one, yeah, I can see which classes I have reserved. I would urge you to try to reserve your classes ahead as much as possible, because that allows us to plan those classes more specifically for you when it comes to weights, to intensity and stuff like that. But yeah, to reserve a class, we say I'll join the class tonight. Obviously tap that class and then go to reserve. And I can cancel the reservation, but I can also sign into class, and usually the signing into class is only available at the same day and a couple of hours before the workout goes. That basically says that you are attending to class and not only reserving. And then we go into, I can go to the workout. So here we have the workout of the day. We have some nice rowing and gymnastics, really nice, working on some handstands. And then we can add results to the workouts. So here I have two labels here because I've reserved 2 classes today. I'm just going to put myself out of that class and then go back to workout, which is the small workout tab, and then go into adding results, as you see, for the workout. And today we are just looking at reps for the workout, and I can put in some notes. So I think I had 326 reps today, if I'm not miscounting. And you can choose RX or scaled, doesn't really matter. You can choose RX just to make it easy. We don't, it's more for like very, very classical benchmarks that it matters, but choose RX so we just keep everyone on the same. And then I can add some notes here to the workout, which can be helpful for me next time. So for example, for rowing, I would put in that I try to keep a pace of 1600 cals per hour. On the bike, I try to be above 400 watts. And on the box jumps, I try to keep sets of 20, but after 40 went down to sets of 10. And then for the last nice movement, wall balls, all strategy went just outside the window. So that was hard. Definitely gonna have some sore legs tomorrow. So that we go done, and it's going to save the result, and now it's over here as my results. And yeah, down here I can see which class has this workout too. And up here we have something called like a leaderboard, so I can look at how many people have done this workout today. It's not that important, but over time that becomes interesting to look at and to see kind of my results from those workouts, and I can keep a bit more tracking, and also we have a better overview, of course, over time, even though we for especially the benchmark workouts, we track those for everyone, so we see that everyone is doing progress. And then also for the levels we also have here we have some other results you can add and basically you can add results for any kind of workout you might have been doing, for example back squats. Here we have that any personal record 803. I did this workout 2017, you see, and actually I redid this workout last week, so I'm gonna add that result. I think it was Wednesday last week, and I was still suffering a bit of let's see here, from a cold, but from the vaccination, still under the weather. So, and whoops, thank you, dog. And there we go. I'll have some kind of metrics here, and I think if I recall correctly, I have this somewhere in my books. My best time has been last year. Let's see, I can go to 2020, and I think it was somewhere in July. Cheating a bit now, but it was 6:27, I'm pretty sure. Date not. I had that stored in another book, but yeah, now I get some results here. I get to see kind of my progress, so that's cool. And yeah, the more I keep track of this, obviously I'm gonna start seeing progress over time. You have all kinds of different workouts and stuff you can search for here, like there's a workout called Randy. Let's see if 2015 I did Randy first time, so that's cool. And I know my best time at the moment has been, I think, 2:30 or something like that. So nice improvements, and that's so fun to see after years of doing this how much you actually improve, even though you're not specifically doing these workouts. So Randy, for example, I've done that maybe 3 times in my life, 2015 apparently, and then 2017, and then last year I think I did it. So that's kind of cool. If you have any questions, maybe you drop that in the comments below in this video. I think it's going to be saved here, and let's get tracking, having fun, and see you at the box later on. Take care, guys.